Yes, here we are again. I'm still working on my Allen&Heath ZED10 FX mixer. Great device, by the way. So I fixed the output board, the headphones, and it was a matter of leaky damage or something. Anyway, the tracks were corroded under this connector, so kind of sucks, of course, but now it's fine. I'm trying to put the things back together. I also fixed the output switch. That's a switch for having different output levels from 0 dB, and if you connect this to another microphone input mixer or something, then it goes down to minus 30 dB. Good idea not to overload the other mixer. Yeah, the connector is back in place. I hate people not taking care about their gears, you know, their gears. So if you are doing this with your gears, I can imagine what kind of music you are doing. Oh, look at this guy. What I can do with this guy? I don't have replacements. Let me see. So I put a hole in here. Now I have to put this. You know, I'm doing an implant. Let's call it the other way. Put it in hot, and that will fit it in a proper way. Alright, that should be okay and enough. Now I have to find another potentiometer with a proper plastic thingy. Okay, and there it is. Perfect. Super glue. There we go. Just let it dry. That will be more than enough. Okay, just let it dry for now. Now, let me clean the face of the things, and then we can start blending all the things together. Of course, leaky damage, and you can see here the switch. Okay, that's fine. So, what's next? Let me have a number 2 goes to number 1. You know, everybody's pushing number 1 involuntarily. It's always like number 1, it's the most use it on. Oh, this needs also to be cleaned. Okay, so this phase, it's done. Somehow I put all the things back. Okay, let's take a look at this guy. Now here is the problem. Can I push this one? Not quite. No, I have to do something about that. Yeah, so I have to have this switch a little bit farther up. Yeah, that should go the other side. That's what I wanted. Good. Oh, you see? Now it's perfect. This is so nice. A ribbon cable. A little bit of contact spray before. Yeah. I love this classic way with boards. You can fix them, you can interchange them, you can even buy new ones. You see, I bet here is a lot of sweet stuffs from the but thanks to the modular way of having this, nothing wrong can happen. So clever idea. So this was made in 2010, 14th of November. Kind of strange. Okay, this is done. We can power it on, make room in the area. Is it working? What do you think? Let me have my headphones on. And I got it. I got his. The multimeter, it's working as it should. This is so nice. Now we got to see if we have any output. Yeah, of course. One channel. Is this one working? Let's see. Of course. What about the other? Perfect. And the attenuator? Beautiful. Stay there. Guys, we are in the business. Everything is working as it should. Now, let me power on my CD player. We can use this one. Headphones.
Hide your heart from sight. It could. Don't count stars or you might.
Left, right. Everything is working as it should. I can even have a test of the output with using the sound card. So it's just a matter of routing. No, it's working. It's fine. Everything is fine, people. So that's it. I have a mixer. Well, let me tell you the truth. I paid like let's call it 70 euros for this. So I think it's a good price because I want to use it for myself. Something left to check, but I'll do that later. To work the USB port to see if it's having any signal in out, but I'm pretty sure it's fine. What else? Nothing. That's it. So thanks for looking. Don't forget to subscribe. Please push the like button. I'm waiting your comments, of course. Thanks to my sponsors. And until the next one, wish you well and have fun. See you. Bye.